The KeyTracker allows you to trigger events anytime a keyboard key of your choice is pressed. Let's look at the user prefs. Selected key is where you assign a specific key to be used. Auto deactivate makes it so you can only press the key once. Once you press it, the KeyTracker deactivates. Use as toggle turns the key into a toggle. It works the same way the caps lock key works. The first time you press it, it turns on, and the second time you press it, it turns off. There are 5 events. Key pressed happens anytime the key is pressed while the toggle option is turned off. Key toggled on happens when the key is turned on while the toggle option is turned on. Key toggled off happens when the key is turned off while the toggle option is turned on. Key tracking activated happens anytime tracking is activated. Key tracking deactivated happens anytime tracking is deactivated. Now for a demonstration. Let's create a scene where the B button on my keyboard activates and deactivates a slow motion effect. I'll drop a KeyTracker in my scene and click on the selected key option. I want to choose the letter B, so I need to click the tiny black arrow at the bottom of the list. This will scroll the list up so that we can select it. Once I have selected the letter B, I'll make sure I activate the option that says Use as Toggle. This will allow us to use the toggled on and toggled off events. When it's toggled on, we'll activate a slow motion effect, and when it's toggled off, we'll deactivate the slow motion effect. The slow motion creator is located in the Utilities folder near the bottom of the list. I'll drop one in my scene. I only want to change one option, and that's the slow motion speed. I'm going to slow it down to 20. I'll leave all the other options as they are. Now I need to tell our KeyTracker to turn the slow motion creator on and off. Let's select the KeyTracker and expand the Key Toggled On event and the Key Toggled Off event. Next, I need to drag the slow motion creator to the Toggled On event and tell it to start slow motion. I'll set the duration to 1000 so that it stays active for a long time. Now I'll drag the slow motion creator to the Toggled Off event and tell it to end slow motion. Our KeyTracker is all set up now. However, the KeyTracker isn't something that's activated when the game starts, so we need something to activate it. I'll use the initializer for this. The initializer is also in the Utilities folder. Once I find it, I'll drop one into my scene. Once I have it in my scene, I'll select it and then expand the initialized event. This event is triggered at the very start of the game, so let's drag our KeyTracker in and tell it to activate tracking. Let's test it out. When the game starts, the initializer will activate our KeyTracker, which will monitor when we press the B key on our keyboard. Since we set the B key up as a toggle, it will turn our slow motion effect on and off.